Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my online class. Students, previously we have discussed equality and justice. Today we are going to discuss some more points about equality and justice. Article 7 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that all are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of law. In India, everyone is treated equally before law irrespective of their sex, color, caste, religion, etc. Citizens need to work together to create successful democracy. We have already discussed that lines. Now they have to take keen interest in what is going on, be politically informed and express their opinion fearlessly. So स्टूडेंट्स इन सब के बावजूद लोगों में ये जागरूकता होनी चाहिए कि राजनीतिक स्तर पे भी क्या हो रहा है, इसकी जानकारी भी लोगों को होनी चाहिए और लोगों को ये भी अधिकार है कि वो अपने ओपिनियन बिना किसी डर के फियरलेसली मीन बिना किसी डर के एक्सप्रेस कर सके. दे शुड बी विलिंग टू पार्टिसिपेटेड they should be willing to participate in the process of decision making in a constructive way. और इन लोगों को किसी डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस में भी कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे में मतलब अच्छी निर्णय अच्छे सोच के साथ पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. So now your chapter is also completed, I think. Yes. Now see the sum it up. These all are the key points of this chapter. So it will help you to understand so far. First point. A government is needed to run a country smoothly and it has many functions to perform. Safety of people, maintaining law and order, securing the borders, and many other functions are responsibilities of a government. Point number 2. Besides democracy, other forms of government are monarchy, absolute monarchy, republic, and dictatorship. Point number 3. India is a democracy with a federal system of governance. That means we have two layers of government, one at the central and other in the states. Any democracy functions on the basis of people participation. The citizens have the right to participate in the formation of the government by voting, and elected government is answering to the people who elect them. Next point. Nelson Mandela, the first president of Democratic South Africa, fought for equal rights of black people. Last point. For a successful democracy, the citizens and government need to function together. Now you have a homework. Here in glossary there are 4 definitions. You have to learn and write all 4 definitions, and in next class we will discuss about exercises of this chapter. Till then, bye bye.